Cool 3D printing. Spinning 3D printed BB and pellet gun target. I have not made this model. However, I think that it is very cool and I have some helpful tips and tricks to share. So let's keep going with the video. 3D print the target in PLA or PETG. Use PETG if you have it because it will allow for a stronger target and the ability to leave it in the sun without it melting. The higher the infill, the stronger the target. However, this is not a big deal as I will show you later in the video, so keep watching. When assembling the model, you might need to sand the red circle area and you may want to add glue here also. However, this is very easy to do. The next step is to figure out if you want to have a stationary or movable mount. I would recommend a movable one. For a stationary mount, tape it down to a top of piece of wood or a metal pole. The disadvantages of this is that you cannot move the target to different elevations and locations without taking off the tape you used. For a portable mount, tape it onto a cardboard box that is the height you prefer for shooting. Then fill the box with some rocks or gym weights. The advantage of this is you can move it around to different distances and put cardboard boxes under the box it is taped to. I used packing tape to tape the base of the target to the cardboard box. To protect the target's duct tape can lids to the fronts and back. This works very well and protects the targets. That is why it is not necessary to print in PETG. However, it would be good to print in PETG because of the additional strength it has when under constant pressure when holding up the cans. The target is complete. File in description. Comment and thanks for watching. What targets have you 3D printed for your BB or pellet or airsoft guns? Subscribe for more cool 3D prints.